Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to earn money from Ads Power, your 2025 guide. So here, earn by creating Ads Power tutorials. So content creation, produce engaged video, tutorials between 1 to 20 minutes or detailed articles 500 words and above about Ads Power's features and benefits. Broad distribution, share your contact across popular platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and or embed it on your personal website. Rewarding incentives, rewards range from 10 to 200 and above, varying based on your followers count and the depth of your content. Higher engagement means bigger payout. Rewards range. So rewards range this goes from 10 to 200 and above. So bonus and recognition. So top tier tutorial receives an additional 200 bonus dollars official features, boosting your visibility and credibility. While the last campaign ended up December 31, 2024, keep an eye out for similar lucrative opportunities returning soon. So here is monetize your website with Ads Powers and Tabulo. So here, secure management. Utilize Ads Powers anti-detect, so browser to efficiently manage multiple accounts, ensuring security and preventing detection. Native ad integration. Seamlessly integrate Tabulo native ads onto your website to generate earnings through cost per click or CPC and cost per mile or CPM. Generous revenue share, publishers can earn a substantial 50 to 70 revenue share from ad clicks and impressions, making your traffic highly profitable. Effortlessly set up. Get started quickly by simply inserting a JavaScript code snippet. Begin monetizing your consistent web traffic almost instantly. So boost earning with affiliate marketing and blogging, promote and profit. So promote Ads Power or relate digital truths to unique affiliate links embedded in your blog post, review, or social media content. Next thing is diversify income. Combine affiliate marketing efforts with Google AdSense or other advertising platform to create multiple resilient income streams. Achieve high earnings. Successful bloggers often earn between $1,000 monthly by strategically targeting specific niche audience with tailored content and offers. Keys to success. Sustained growth and revenue are built upon consistency, effective search engine optimization or SEO, and continuous creating of high quality, valuable content. Quick starts. So 22 ways of earning using Ads Power. Ads Power provide the essential tool to excel in various online income ventures, from managing clients' account to optimizing e-commerce. Let's go to the solution. Freelancing, writing, manage multiple clients' profile and content calendars efficiently. Dropshipping, streamlines, operate for multiple e-commerce store. Market campaigns, run diverse campaigns for various clients from one secure environment. Social media management, handle numerous social accounts without detection issue. E-commerce automotive, automate tasks and manage product lists across platforms. Double your reward. So here is your streamlined workflows and unlock significant potential for online revenue growth. So pro tips to maximize your Ads Powers earning: cultivate and engage audience, prioritize building a loyal and active audience before diving into tutorials or affiliate contents to ensure maximum impact and reach. Target high value niche, focus on specific market segments with higher cost per click or CPC rates, such as finance, cutting edge technology, or health and wellness industries. Leverage SEO and social media, and monitor and optimize continuously. Regular track and performance of your ads and content. Use analytics to identify areas of improvement and optimize for the best possible result. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.